Collocations with Go. We use Go with go fishing, go deaf, go abroad, go online, go west, go straight on, go right, go bankrupt, go crazy, go dancing, go mad, go shopping, go home, go green, go swimming, go for a meal, go for a nap, go for a swim, go for a ride, go for a rest, go for a drive, go for a hike, go for a drink, go for a run, go for a coffee, go for a jog, go for a walk, go to a meeting, go to a conference, go to a concert, go to a party, go to a restaurant, go on a cruise, go on a safari, go on an adventure, go on a trip, go on holiday, go on a date, go on a picnic, go on strike, go to jail, go to bed, go to sleep, go to university, go to school, go to prison, go to hell, go to Paris, go to Thailand, go to Asia, go to work, go to dinner, go to the beach, go to the specialist, go to the mountains, go to the park, go to the doctors, go to the airport, go to the lake, go to the bank, go to the supermarket, go to the zoo, go to the moon, go to the gym, go to the cinema. Collocations with go. Go abroad. E.g., we should go abroad on holiday this year. Go online. I'll just go online and look up her address. Go bald. Many men go bald at an early age. Go bad. The milk will go bad if it is not kept in the fridge. Go blind. The old cat is starting to go blind. Go crazy. The old man is going to go crazy. Go deaf. Many old people go deaf. Go fishing. I would like to go fishing this weekend.